If you're over 60 and find yourself waking up multiple times each night to urinate, you're experiencing one of the most common yet frustrating symptoms of an enlarged prostate. This condition, medically known as benign prostatic hyperplasia or BPH, affects nearly 90% of men by age 85, but the good news is that specific nutrients and natural compounds can significantly improve your urinary flow and reduce those disruptive nighttime trips to the bathroom. Today, we're diving deep into the science behind prostate health and revealing 7 evidence-based nutrients that can help shrink an enlarged prostate, improve urinary flow, and restore your quality of sleep. These aren't quick fixes or miracle cures, but rather scientifically proven compounds that work with your body's natural processes to support optimal prostate function. Before we begin, make sure to subscribe to our channel and leave a comment sharing your own experiences with prostate health, as your insights help our entire community learn together. The prostate gland, roughly the size of a walnut in young men, surrounds the urethra and plays a crucial role in male reproductive health. As men age, this gland naturally enlarges, often pressing against the urethra and creating the classic symptoms of BPH: frequent urination, especially at night, weak urine stream, difficulty starting urination, and the feeling that your bladder never completely empties. While these symptoms can dramatically impact your quality of life, research shows that targeted nutritional interventions can provide significant relief. Let's start with our first powerhouse nutrient, vitamin D3. This fat-soluble vitamin, which your body produces when exposed to sunlight, plays a far more complex role in prostate health than most people realize. Recent studies have revealed that men with enlarged prostates often have significantly lower levels of vitamin D3 in their blood compared to men with healthy prostate function. The connection lies in vitamin D3's ability to regulate cell growth and reduce inflammation throughout the body, including within the prostate tissue itself. When it comes to prostate health, vitamin D3 works by binding to vitamin D receptors found abundantly in prostate cells. This binding process triggers a cascade of cellular events that help prevent the excessive cell growth characteristic of BPH. Research published in the Journal of Steroid Biochemistry demonstrates that adequate vitamin D3 levels can reduce prostate cell proliferation by up to 40%, directly addressing one of the root causes of prostate enlargement. The optimal dosage for men over 50 ranges from 2,000 to 4,000 international units daily, though some men may require higher amounts depending on their baseline vitamin D levels. It's crucial to choose vitamin D3 over vitamin D2, as D3 is the form your body naturally produces and is significantly more effective at raising and maintaining healthy vitamin D levels in your bloodstream. Many men notice improvements in urinary flow and reduced nocturia within 6 to 8 weeks of consistent vitamin D3 supplementation, particularly when combined with magnesium, which enhances vitamin D absorption. Our second critical nutrient is lycopene, the powerful antioxidant that gives tomatoes their vibrant red color. This carotenoid has earned particular attention from urologists and researchers due to its remarkable ability to accumulate specifically in prostate tissue, where it provides targeted protection against oxidative stress and inflammation. Multiple clinical studies have shown that men who consume higher amounts of lycopene have significantly smaller prostate volumes and better urinary flow rates compared to those with lower lycopene intake. Lycopene works by neutralizing free radicals that can damage prostate cells and trigger inflammatory responses. This antioxidant also helps regulate the production of certain growth factors that contribute to prostate enlargement. A landmark study involving over 47,000 men found that those consuming at least 10 milligrams of lycopene daily had a 34% lower risk of developing severe BPH symptoms. The most bioavailable form of lycopene comes from cooked tomato products rather than raw tomatoes, as the heating process breaks down cell walls and makes the lycopene more easily absorbed by your digestive system. Tomato paste, tomato sauce, and tomato juice are excellent sources, providing 15 to 20 milligrams of lycopene per serving. However, for therapeutic doses, a high-quality lycopene supplement providing 15 to 30 milligrams daily offers the most reliable and consistent intake. Zinc represents our third essential nutrient, and it's particularly crucial because the prostate gland contains higher concentrations of zinc than any other organ in the male body. This mineral plays multiple roles in maintaining prostate health, from supporting healthy hormone metabolism to maintaining the integrity of prostate cell membranes. Men with BPH consistently show lower zinc levels in their prostate tissue compared to men with healthy prostates, suggesting that zinc deficiency may contribute to prostate enlargement. Zinc works by inhibiting the enzyme 5-alpha reductase, which converts testosterone to dihydrotestosterone, or DHT. Elevated DHT levels are strongly associated with prostate enlargement and the development of BPH symptoms. By naturally reducing DHT production, zinc helps prevent the hormonal imbalances that drive prostate growth. Additionally, zinc supports the immune system's ability to control inflammation within the prostate, further contributing to healthy prostate function. The recommended dosage for prostate health is 15 to 30 milligrams daily, preferably taken with food to minimize stomach upset. Zinc picolinate or zinc bisglycinate are the most bioavailable forms, offering superior absorption compared to zinc oxide or zinc sulfate. It's important to note that zinc can interfere with copper absorption, so long-term zinc supplementation should be balanced with small amounts of copper, typically at a ratio of 10 to 1. Our fourth powerful nutrient is saw palmetto, derived from the berries of the Serenoa repens palm tree. This botanical extract has been used for centuries by indigenous populations to support urinary and reproductive health, and modern research has validated many of these traditional uses. Saw palmetto works through multiple mechanisms to improve prostate health, making it one of the most well-researched natural treatments for BPH. The primary mechanism involves inhibiting both types of 5-alpha reductase enzymes, effectively reducing DHT levels throughout the body. Unlike zinc, which primarily targets type 2,5-alpha reductase, saw palmetto blocks both type 1 and type 2 enzymes, providing more comprehensive hormonal support. Clinical studies have shown that saw palmetto extract can reduce prostate volume by up to 24% over 6 months of consistent use. Saw palmetto also exhibits anti-inflammatory properties by blocking the production of certain inflammatory compounds called leukotrienes and prostaglandins. These substances contribute to prostate swelling and the associated urinary symptoms. By reducing inflammation, saw palmetto helps improve urinary flow rates and decreases the frequency of nighttime urination. The standardized extract containing 85 to 95% fatty acids and sterols is the most effective form, with clinical studies typically using doses of 320 milligrams daily. This dosage should be taken with meals to enhance absorption, as saw palmetto is fat-soluble. Some men notice improvements in urinary symptoms within 4 to 6 weeks, though maximum benefits typically occur after 3 to 6 months of consistent use. Beta-Sitosterol, our fifth nutrient, is a plant sterol found naturally in many fruits, vegetables, nuts, and seeds. This compound has garnered significant attention from urologists due to its impressive ability to improve urinary flow and reduce BPH symptoms. Multiple clinical trials have demonstrated that beta-sitosterol can increase peak urinary flow rates by up to 30% while significantly reducing residual urine volume. The mechanism behind beta-sitosterol's effectiveness involves its ability to accumulate in prostate tissue and modulate inflammatory responses. This plant sterol helps stabilize cell membranes and reduces the production of inflammatory mediators that contribute to prostate swelling. Additionally, beta-sitosterol may help regulate cholesterol metabolism within prostate cells, as elevated cholesterol levels have been linked to prostate enlargement. Research indicates that beta-sitosterol is particularly effective for men with moderate to severe BPH symptoms. A comprehensive review of clinical studies found that men taking beta-sitosterol experienced a 47% improvement in urinary flow scores and a significant reduction in the International Prostate Symptom Score, which measures the severity of BPH symptoms. The therapeutic dosage ranges from 60 to 130 milligrams daily, typically divided into 2 doses taken with meals. Beta-sitosterol is often combined with other plant sterols in supplement formulations, which may enhance its overall effectiveness. Unlike some other prostate supplements, beta-sitosterol is generally well tolerated with minimal side effects, making it suitable for long-term use. Quercetin, our sixth nutrient, is a flavonoid antioxidant found in foods like onions, apples, berries, and green tea. This powerful compound has shown remarkable promise in supporting prostate health through its potent anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. Quercetin is particularly effective at reducing chronic inflammation, which plays a central role in prostate enlargement and the development of BPH symptoms. The anti-inflammatory effects of quercetin work by inhibiting several inflammatory pathways, including the production of nuclear factor kappa B, a protein complex that regulates inflammatory gene expression. By reducing inflammation at the cellular level, quercetin helps decrease prostate swelling and improve urinary function. Studies have shown that quercetin can reduce inflammatory markers in prostate tissue by up to 60%. Quercetin also supports prostate health by protecting against oxidative stress. The prostate is particularly vulnerable to free radical damage due to its high metabolic activity and exposure to various toxins. By neutralizing free radicals, Quercetin helps prevent cellular damage that can contribute to prostate enlargement and dysfunction. Clinical studies have demonstrated that quercetin supplementation can significantly improve prostate symptoms and quality of life in men with BPH. One notable study found that men taking 500 milligrams of quercetin twice daily experienced a 25% improvement in urinary flow rates and a significant reduction in prostate-specific antigen levels, a marker of prostate inflammation. The recommended dosage for prostate health is 500 to 1,000 milligrams daily, preferably taken with meals to enhance absorption. Quercetin is often combined with bromelain, an enzyme that helps improve quercetin's bioavailability. Some men may experience mild digestive upset when first starting quercetin, but this typically resolves within a few days of consistent use. Our seventh and final nutrient is pumpkin seed oil, derived from the seeds of Cucurbita pepo. This natural oil has been traditionally used in European folk medicine for urinary and prostate health, and modern research has confirmed many of these traditional applications. Pumpkin seed oil contains a unique combination of fatty acids, plant sterols, and minerals that work synergistically to support optimal prostate function. The primary active compounds in pumpkin seed oil include delta-7-sterol, which helps block the conversion of testosterone to DHT, and various fatty acids that reduce inflammation and support healthy cell membrane function. Clinical studies have shown that pumpkin seed oil can improve urinary flow rates, reduce residual urine volume, and decrease the frequency of nighttime urination in men with BPH. One particularly impressive study involving 2,245 men with BPH found that those taking 1,000 milligrams of pumpkin seed oil daily experienced a 40% improvement in urinary flow scores and a significant reduction in prostate volume over 12 months. The oil was well tolerated with minimal side effects, making it an excellent option for men seeking natural prostate support. Pumpkin seed oil also provides essential fatty acids, including omega-3 and omega-6 fatty acids, which help reduce inflammation throughout the body. These healthy fats support overall cardiovascular health and may help protect against the development of more serious prostate conditions. The oil is typically taken in doses of 1,000 to 2,000 milligrams daily, preferably with meals. Understanding how these nutrients work together is crucial for maximizing their benefits. While each nutrient provides unique mechanisms of action, they often work synergistically to provide comprehensive prostate support. For example, vitamin D3 helps regulate cell growth while zinc supports healthy hormone metabolism, and together they provide more complete protection than either nutrient alone. The timeline for experiencing benefits varies depending on the individual and the severity of symptoms. Most men begin noticing improvements in urinary flow and reduced nighttime urination within 4 to 8 weeks of consistent supplementation. However, more significant changes in prostate size and overall symptom improvement typically occur after 3 to 6 months of regular use. It's important to understand that these nutrients work best as part of a comprehensive approach to prostate health. While supplementation can provide significant benefits, lifestyle factors also play a crucial role in maintaining optimal prostate function. Regular exercise, particularly activities that improve pelvic floor strength, can enhance the effects of nutritional interventions. Dietary choices also significantly impact prostate health. Foods rich in antioxidants, including colorful fruits and vegetables, provide additional compounds that support prostate function. Limiting processed foods, excessive sugar, and unhealthy fats helps reduce inflammation that can contribute to prostate enlargement. Adequate hydration is essential, though the timing of fluid intake matters for men with BPH. Drinking plenty of water throughout the day while limiting fluids 2 to 3 hours before bedtime can help reduce nighttime urination while maintaining proper hydration. Stress management techniques, including meditation, deep breathing exercises, and regular relaxation practices, can also support prostate health. Chronic stress elevates cortisol levels, which can interfere with healthy hormone balance and contribute to inflammation throughout the body. When implementing these nutritional strategies, it's essential to start gradually and monitor your body's response. Beginning with 1 or 2 nutrients and gradually adding others allows you to identify which interventions provide the most benefit for your specific situation. This approach also helps minimize the risk of any digestive upset or interactions between supplements. Quality matters significantly when choosing supplements. Look for products that have been third-party tested for purity and potency, and choose reputable manufacturers with good manufacturing practices. Standardized extracts with clearly defined active compound concentrations are generally more reliable than whole herb preparations. Timing of supplementation can impact effectiveness. Fat-soluble nutrients like vitamin D3 and saw palmetto are best absorbed when taken with meals containing healthy fats. Water-soluble nutrients like quercetin can be taken with or without food, though taking them with meals may reduce any potential stomach upset. It's crucial to maintain realistic expectations about the timeline for improvement. While some men experience rapid relief from urinary symptoms, others may require several months of consistent supplementation to achieve significant benefits. Patience and consistency are key factors in achieving optimal results. Regular monitoring of your symptoms can help track progress and determine the effectiveness of your nutritional interventions. Keeping a simple diary noting urinary frequency, nighttime trips to the bathroom, and overall quality of life can provide valuable insights into your improvement over time. Working with a healthcare provider familiar with nutritional approaches to prostate health can provide additional guidance and ensure that your supplementation plan is appropriate for your individual situation. This is particularly important if you're taking medications or have other health conditions that might interact with certain nutrients. The safety profile of these nutrients is generally excellent when used as directed. However, individual responses can vary, and some people may experience mild side effects such as digestive upset or changes in bowel habits when first starting supplementation. These effects typically resolve within a few days as your body adjusts to the new nutrients. Drug interactions are relatively rare with these natural compounds, but it's important to inform your healthcare provider about all supplements you're taking. This is particularly important if you're taking blood-thinning medications, as some nutrients like vitamin E and omega-3 fatty acids can have mild blood-thinning effects. The cost-effectiveness of nutritional interventions for prostate health compares favorably to conventional treatments. While prescription medications for BPH can cost hundreds of dollars per month and may cause significant side effects, natural nutrients typically cost a fraction of that amount and are generally well tolerated. Long-term safety is another advantage of nutritional approaches. Unlike pharmaceutical interventions, which may require ongoing monitoring for side effects, these natural nutrients can typically be used safely for extended periods. Many men continue using these supplements indefinitely as part of their long-term health maintenance strategy. The evidence supporting these nutritional interventions continues to grow as more research is conducted. Recent studies have explored combination therapies, optimal dosing regimens, and the identification of men who are most likely to benefit from specific nutrients. This ongoing research helps refine our understanding of how to use these natural compounds most effectively. Prevention is always preferable to treatment, and these same nutrients that help improve existing BPH symptoms can also help prevent prostate enlargement in younger men. Men in their 40s and 50s who incorporate these nutrients into their daily routine may be able to maintain better prostate health as they age. The quality of life improvements that many men experience with these natural interventions extend beyond just urinary symptoms. Better sleep quality, increased energy levels, and improved overall well-being are common benefits reported by men who successfully address their prostate health concerns through nutrition. In conclusion, the 7 nutrients we've explored today represent a comprehensive, science-based approach to supporting prostate health and reducing the nighttime urination that disrupts so many men's lives. Vitamin D3, lycopene, zinc, saw palmetto, beta-sitosterol, quercetin, and pumpkin seed oil each offer unique mechanisms of action that address different aspects of prostate health, from hormone regulation to inflammation reduction. The beauty of this nutritional approach lies in its simplicity and safety. Rather than relying on pharmaceutical interventions with potential side effects, these natural compounds work with your body's own healing mechanisms to restore optimal prostate function. While patience and consistency are required to achieve the best results, the potential for significant improvement in urinary symptoms and overall quality of life makes this approach well worth considering. Remember that every man's situation is unique, and what works best for one person may not be optimal for another. The key is to work with knowledgeable healthcare providers, start gradually, monitor your progress, and maintain realistic expectations about the timeline for improvement. We hope this comprehensive guide has provided you with valuable insights into natural approaches for supporting prostate health. If you found this information helpful, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more evidence-based health content. We'd love to hear about your own experiences with these nutrients in the comments below, as your insights can help other men in our community who are dealing with similar challenges. Your feedback and questions also help us create content that addresses the topics you're most interested in learning about.